Hey guys, just got my hands on this supermicro server and I thought let's give OPNsense another try. In addition to what comes with the barebone kit, I have added 8 gigs of crucial memory, a 256 gig SSD drive from AData, a quad port gigabit card, and a 2 drive mounting bracket. I'm including the specs to the server from Supermicro's site. This is just in case Supermicro decides in the future to move things around or redo their website and remove any of the technical data that's on this page. Let's head over to the OPNsense website and download the latest version of OPNsense. I will be downloading the 64-bit version with the VGA installer. The OPNsense archive has fully downloaded now, but we need to uncompress the actual file that we need to put on the USB installer stick. So I'm going to right click over the actual file and use 7-zip to drag out our file to the desktop. I will be putting the installer on a Kingston 16 gig USB key, but before I do that I'm going to use this free tool, Partition Wizard, to wipe out any previous install files. Our final step with the USB key is to use a program called Rufus to copy the image onto the actual USB key itself. This is a free utility, it's a single exe, and you can download this from the Rufus website. I've already inserted the USB key onto the server and I've selected F11 to select a boot device. From this point on, I will be accepting all the default options until we get to the GUI interface. One of my complaints before with the text-based installer was that it was in black and white, but it appears that that may have been specific to that piece of hardware that I was using. It looks fully colored right now. And that's it for the text-based portion of the installer. After the system reboots, we're going to log in through the web interface. Okay, I will be logging into OPNsense using the default IP address of 192.168.1.1 and root for the username and OPNsense for the password. For DNS, I will be using Google's DNS servers, and for everything else, I will be accepting the defaults again. Let's head to the dashboard now, and we can see that the CPU information is listed there, and it lists 8 cores, which is correct. The only thing that appears to be incorrect is the network time service. It displays it as being stopped, but if we refresh that, we can fix that very easily. One of the things I like to do with each new installation is add the thermal sensors and traffic graph applets to the dashboard. The final thing I want to check is to see if all the network interfaces are listed properly. We should have 8, and from the looks of it, yeah, everything's good here as well. And the final thing I like to do is check the system for updates. So from the dashboard, click on check for updates. Click update now. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I will probably be doing more OPNsense and pfsense videos in the future. If you like this kind of stuff, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.